then in sorrow and in rage. And often too much of eye of evil throws, none who is could tell you of my cage. When I reflect, I cannot sport or laugh or gauge, save sometimes it happens through error shows. For I must in such great excess engage, ever to suffer so dolorous a martyr's wage. God, if my lady knew the circumstance of the grief I have and of the pain I bear, for her heart well tells her and reads the chance how her love torments me and drives me everywhere. Above all others, she is the sovereign fair, and best knows my ills and their roots expense. I cannot without her recover medicine's care, nor healing that might profit me or repair. So much I delight in the sweet semblance of her bright eyes and of her visage clear. And when I recall the fair countenance of her gentle body, all my heart takes cheer. For she appears so sweet and debonair, so loyal, so courteous, so full of franchise, that I cannot have so much of puissance that I might draw my thought from her over. May God never grant that my heart withdraw from loving her all the days of my life. It will not, unless folly makes me quake with awe, for her beauty spurs me on and makes me strive. So very long have I loved her and served her there. Well, it is time that I have the reward I seek. Now shall I see well if she is loyal and fair, or if she is false and a disloyal friend to me. Now shall I see well if she is loyal and fair, or if she is false and a disloyal friend to me. May God never grant that my heart withdraw from loving her all the days of my life. The nightingale announces the news that now the season of sweet time has come, that everything is reborn and renewed. For I am cast in prison